Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update Windows 11, sign into the Microsoft account that owns the Office license, and verify date, time, and network connectivity. Once done, open any Office app and click Account to see activation status. If it shows activation failed, run the built-in activation troubleshooter or navigate to Settings System about to confirm system build. These steps remove common blockers and prepare you for reactivating Office without wasting time on irrelevant checks. Next, perform the deeper fixes. Run programs Apps Microsoft 365 modify and choose Quick Repair, moving to Online Repair if problems persist because it reinstalls core components. If older product keys conflict, run Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to detect and remove them. This addresses licensing ghosts. Make sure to sign out of all Office apps, reboot the PC, then sign back in with your license account so activation tokens refresh and a clean handshake occurs with Microsoft. To finish, confirm activation by opening Word and checking file account for product activated. For volume licensing scenarios like MAK or KMS, coordinate with your admin and run SLMGR. VBS and OSP. VBS checks to diagnose key issues. If activation still fails, capture the exact error code, note recent changes, and run a simple network trace. This information speeds up support. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPN and any strict firewall rules before retrying activation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.